Hey everybody, Dan Forbes, Forbes Property Group here in Cedar Park, Texas. Did you know that Freon in your home air conditioning system beginning in January is being phased out? And that could be expensive for homeowners. And I have a flyer here from Fidelity Home Warranty that explains it, and it's going to be attached in my email newsletter going out this Friday. But I wanted you to know about it because it could be very expensive for homeowners that have a system that has Freon instead of the new refrigerant that's called Puron. In fact, changing a system from Freon to Puron can cost over $5,000, and Fidelity Home Warranty will help with that expense. Freon is expected to go from $15 to $25 a pound up to $400 to $500 a pound during the phase out over the next few years. So you don't want to be caught with that kind of expense. I want you to see this flyer and be aware of perhaps a home warranty that could help you cover a major expense that might be coming down the road. You're welcome. Dan Forbes, Forbes Property Group, Pure Realty here in Cedar Park, Texas. Thanks.